Hello everybody, I hope everybody is doing great. We have finished 2020 and we have entered into the new year. Thank God, everybody is very happy that at least this year is gone, where we faced a lot of problems due to Corona. Last year I mentioned 10 things which we need to do, but due to Corona, the world has changed. I never knew at that time that this will happen. So I'm just I'm just mentioning, giving the 10 things same for my same video which we should do in 2021. So just watch this video, and I wish you all the best and happy new year. And I hope we will not face the situation which we faced past. All the best. Number one. Number one, I would say that you have to travel. You have to go for a trip in this upcoming year, because when you go for a travel in a new country or a new city, you learn a lot. You see new people, you see new culture, and then you compare your culture with that new one. So you get an idea of what's going on outside the world, and how good or bad you are in your existing one. Number two, I would say that you have to change your food habits. We don't care about our food. We take food on different times. We don't follow the diet chart. We just take junk food. So you have to balance your food. You have to take your food on time. You have to take care about the calories, what you are taking in, and if you take care of these things, you will be in a good shape, and if your body is in a good shape, you will have a good mind and you can do a lot of things. Number three, I would say that go to bed early and wake up early. This habit is very, very important and very healthy. It gives a very healthy impact in your life, in your mood, in your efficiency, in your day, and everything. When you wake up early, you actually welcome the day. You see the sun, and it gives a very, very good impression on your body. So go to bed early and wake up early. Then I would say exercise. Exercise is very important. Exercise can be a walk, exercise can be a gym. You can go to gym, you can do yoga, you can do fitness classes, anything you like. But you have to take some part of your day to do these things. So make sure that you put some exercise and make a routine in your life. Pray. I won't say it's a it's a new year resolution, but you have to pray every in your whole life. When you pray 5 times in a day, you really feel good. It gives a very good impression, and especially the Fajr prayer is very, very important. And when you perform prayer, when you meet the Almighty, you really feel very positive, good, and you get very positive energy. You get your mind focus and everything. You learn uh, how to do that. So the prayer is very, very important. Next is, I would say that help the students in their education. Either one student, two student, as many students as you want. Just help them, because once you help any student, and if this help makes him on a success, believe me, it's a very, very honorable thing for you. And this is uh, like you have done a lot in this for this world, and this is like sadka jariya, what we call in our religion. So help any student in the education, guide him, assist him, and if he's successful, believe me, it's an honor for you. Next, I would say that improve your skills by doing some short courses. Whatever is your qualification, whatever is your profession, but keep improving your skills with some short courses. These short courses can be IT related. This short courses can be HR related, or any other course. You see that what makes your what is that course which helps you to improve your profession. So do keep doing these courses, and attend workshops, seminars, and believe me, it will really help. Then I would say make 10 new friends. Yes, friends are very important in your life, and they are only friends which helps you when you are down, and you learn from them a lot. So the more make good friends. I'm not saying that make a lot of friends. Make good friends, maybe a less, but at least try to make 10 friends. These 10 friends can be your you can find it in your office staff. Maybe they are your student. When you are, if you are a student, they are your classmate, or they can be your social media friends, but make at least good 10 friends. Next, I would say that you have to keep at least 1 hour in a week. You just disconnect all the Wi-Fi's, you put your mobile on a side, you turn off the TV and all the activities. But what you do, you just sit with your family, speak with them, listen to them. Believe me, it will give a very positive impression, and it helps a lot in your life. Then I would say that restart your hobby if you have lost any hobby. You must agree with me that because of the time and because of your busy life, you had some hobbies which you are not doing it. So just restart them. My hobby was to watch the cricket, and which I have continued since 5 6 years. But this is my plan that in 2020 I'm going to restart this hobby again. Okay, last but not the least, the bonus point which I would like to discuss. Please subscribe my channel if you have not liked this.